Hello and welcome to a new video. It's weird actually starting the video in a look, but I thought I would start the video in the look today. And yeah, so this is the look that if you want to see how I created it, keep watching. So I've got like this little foam butterfly. I was going to use paper, but I found this foam butterfly, so I was like, okay, that works better. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start by like chopping it in half so that I can like scale it up to the size of my face. Like now I've got two wings, which obviously I'll put one like either side, but I need to like make the liquid latex on it first. So I've just got like this little piece of paper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some liquid latex and start building it up, like half on the wing, half on the paper. Actually, I'm just going to do it straight on the table because it'll peel off anyway. So here's one that I'm doing now. I'm going to show you how I'm doing the other one. I'm literally just taking like my spreader paintbrushy thing, and I'm just spreading it on the first half. It's wiggling around a bit. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. And then spreading the other half on the table. So that's layer number one, and it needs to dry in between each layer. So basically what I'm going to do is continue to do exactly what I've done, just letting the liquid latex dry in between each layer. So obviously while I'm letting it dry, like I don't need to really film that. I'm going to start like on my actual makeup, because I'll just tell you that I'm going to do like 5 layers, and then I'll come back once I've finished the layers, but in between I need to do the makeup, so that's what I'm going to do now. So the liquid latex is still drying on the piece that I'm making, so I'm going to start my eyeshadow. It's going to be like very like blown out eyeshadow, because obviously I've got to like connect the wings, but obviously I need to colour match the pink. So I'm going to have a look in my Beauty Bay Brights palette and see what I've got. I think these 3 pinks, like this one, and this one, will work really nicely. So I'm just going to create an eyeshadow look really with these 3 pink colours. I think I'll start with like this one here and just start it in the crease, because I've like set both of my eyes now, so I'm ready to start the eyeshadow. I'm literally just going to pull that through my crease to start with. I'm really just like winging this eyeshadow out so that I can actually stick the wings to it. Look at this mess. I'm now happy with the amount of layers on though. So I'm going to start taking my pink and shading the latex in. This was with the eyeshadow and it wasn't really working very well, so I'm just using like a fabric pen now. And I'm just kind of doing this, and then it blends it in a little bit nicer. I'm just colouring the latex in like that instead. So this is now how they're looking. I'm now going to draw like the black bits on like the butterfly. I've got a reference picture that I'm going to use. This is like the reference picture that I'm kind of going to use. So this is what it's looking like now. My hands are like so dirty because it was smudging a lot. I just need to leave it to dry, so I'm just going to finish off my makeup. Just going to kind of like measure them up. So I might bring that eyeshadow literally right up to my brow bone and smoke it out like that, just so that then the thingies connect a bit better. So now instead of having that graphic shape, I'm literally just going to blend it out all the way. I'm even going to bring it into my brow a bit. I'm going to come back to my eyes so that I can smoke them out a bit more. So I'm just going to move on to like my foundation and start doing my base. I don't really think I need to film that because it's more about the eyes and stuff. So I'll come back once the base is done. So right now this eyeshadow is looking like a lot. I'm going to put glitter because I think that will like top it off for me. When you actually look at where these are going to be stuck, like there we go. It kind of brings it together, right? So I'm deciding to use this pigment. It's kind of like gold and it's got like pink reflex in it. I'm just going to whack this on my eyes, really. Passing it on like this. Because then I think it just adds like a nice bit of sparkle to the eyes. I'm going to stick on lashes, but what I'm going to do first is I'm literally just going to coat my lashes in a little bit of mascara. So this is what my eyes are looking like now. It's time to stick these on. Let's position them. I think I'm going to do them like this, and then obviously add the lashes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of liquid latex and just apply that to the back of the liquid latex on here. Okay, I need to put more liquid latex on than I've dropped it on me. What am I doing right now? I've put way too much liquid latex on the back of the ear. Yeah, okay, and now I'm going to hold it until it's stuck down. I don't want it to come undone. Alright, that's actually stuck down pretty decent. I'll have to blend like these little bits of latex, but let me do the same on the other side. This one actually stuck down really securely. I just need to do the same on the other side. I kind of love it, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I was gonna put a wig on with this, but I don't know if it'll work. Didn't really think of that, did I? Because of how big these are. Probably not. I have to make my hair look nice. I'll try it. Okay, let's put some lashes on. I'm now just gonna blend the lashes together. And yeah, let's add a pink lipstick and be done. How could I forget highlighter? I want to do like a really bright inner corner one. Like to really brighten up my inner corners. Gonna do a big chunk up here as well. Ooh. I've just put like a little pink top on to go with the look. I've decided I don't want to overdo the pink, so I'm just gonna use like a clear sparkly gloss instead. And it just adds to like the glowy sort of vibe. So technically this is the finished look, but I don't feel like my hair's doing the look any justice. So I'm gonna try the wig and see what's going on with it. I'm definitely no pro at applying wigs, so please don't judge me for this wig application, which I'm about to do. This is the colour. I think it works well with the pink. It's quite a cute little wig, to be fair. I'm trying to get it down low enough without ruining these, but you know what, I think it's actually going okay. I have these really cute little butterfly clips which I was going to try and like clip in somewhere. Do they look better or worse with the clips? Oh, I actually think it looks so cute. Oh, look at this, it's so cute. I don't actually think this wig looks too bad on there. I think I've actually applied it pretty alright. And I put like these little clips in, and I actually love the way it looks. Like the wig definitely brings it all together. Like before it was just like, the look was okay, but like adding a wig to a look can literally can literally transform it. I love this look. I think it looks so cute and I'm actually obsessed. So thanks for coming on this journey with me. It's been chaotic. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.